You ready to eat a Cheerio?
Yeah.
All on your own. Pick it up. No.
Hi, sweetie.
Here.
There's one. What is that noise?
The Cheerio.
You eat the Cheerio? Good job. You get it?
Still there.
Uh-oh, it's stuck to your hand. Try again.
Stick it in your mouth.
There you go. Big girl. Livy. Yay! Yeah. Good job. You want to eat another one? Oh, with the other hand. Big girl. Yay! Hello. Hi, princess.
Eat your Cheerio, big girl. Eat your Cheerio.